What's up guys, it's Shannon aka the RC Princess, and you guessed it, today we are reviewing the Vanquish VRD stance, like the VRD Carbon, only this is the RTR model with some minor differences. Be sure to stick around till the end of the video because I have an amazing product to share with you guys that I have received. It's absolutely awesome and I cannot wait to share it with you guys, so we will get to that at the end of the video. Real quick though, I just have to show you guys like how cool is that RC Garages sign from Bobby over at RC Garages. It's so cool. That's not the new product, but it's definitely worth a shout out because I love the graffiti look to it. So a little disclaimer, this is not my stance. This is my dad's Vanquish VRD stance. I decided to purchase the Red Cat Ascent Fusion and he decided to purchase the stance. So he was nice enough to let me throw it on the channel for you guys, and I definitely wanted to because it's worth talking about for sure. I have a video coming soon on the stance versus the Ascent that should be coming out next week if everything works out. So stay tuned for that. But yes, I was like, please, can I throw this on the channel because I saw it run and I'm like, these people have to know how great it is too. But like I said, personally, I purchased the Red Cat Ascent and then he purchased the VRD stance. And we are just really curious to see how they compare to each other and compete. And so yes, a comparison video will be coming soon. The VRD platform is comp ready, so it makes it really easy for beginners just getting into competitions to have an RTR that really doesn't need much. It is 10th scale, it's RTR, it comes in green and also a silver color, and the price point is $499.99. The only thing that has been done to this so far is the stickers have have been changed out. My dad has a real problem with blue for some reason. I'm not sure why, you guys. So the stickers came in the box and he just swapped them out. That is the only thing that has been done to it. I know you guys know that I changed the tires on my Ascent, but I threw on the stock ones for the comparison video. So everything is stock on both of them except for the plug on my Ascent. But I really wanted to do stock footage of them crawling together to see exactly how they compare stock. So nothing has been done to this except for stickers. The Vanquish VRD stance has portal axles and also about 24% overdrive, which the Red Cat has 20% overdrive. And the wheelbase on this thing is 12.67 inches. It is a bit lighter than the Ascent Fusion with a weight of 4.95 pounds. The Red Cat weighs 5.34 pounds. The VRD also does have aluminum flat rail chassis and bent rear links, which just allows for more clearance to get up and over things. The body mounts are adjustable, allowing you to throw a different body on if you want, or if you like more of the cab style body like the Ascent. So that is a nice thing. It is adjustable, and I can't say I'm a huge fan of the stance body. I much prefer the Red Cat Ascent Fusion body, but it is adjustable if you want to swap out bodies. The front and rear bumpers are neatly tucked away, ensuring that your tires make contact before the bumpers do, making it effortless to overcome obstacles. Unlike many trail trucks where you need a significant approach angle for the tires to engage, the Red Cat Ascent Fusion and the VRD stance ensures that the tires touch down first. And speaking of tires, the VRD stance comes with VXT2 tires, red compound, and are mounted on KMC Riot beadlocks. These tires are really nice and seem to allow the tires to make contact before the bumpers a lot of the time, so it really just aids in getting up things most trailing rigs would struggle with. The VRD has an axle mounted servo and also an LCG motor position, which just allows everything to be kept nice and low. It also has a 6-degree skid plate, which allows you to just really glide right over the rocks and not get hung up too much. It is a brushed motor, and the ESC is Vanquish's version of a Hobbywing 1060. If I know my dad, these electronics will be swapped out one of these days for like a Hobbywing Fusion. It is an XT60 plug and is 3S LiPo capable. Just like with the Red Cat Ascent Fusion, you will want a smaller battery pack for the VRD stance as well. I have to be honest with you guys, like I said before, I really prefer the looks of the Red Cat Ascent Fusion more than the stance, but honestly the capable crawling that it does just makes me forget about the body completely. So like I mentioned before, stay tuned for a complete comparison stock video of them running together. The VRD stance has weighted portal covers, adding weight down low. You can really tell that this rig was just set up with performance in mind. Included is a high quality 4-channel radio featuring a digital screen and a 15 model memory, offering convenient adjustments directly from your transmitter. Now let's take this truck out and see how capable it really is. Let me know down in the comments below what Vanquish rigs that you own. It has been driving me nuts the entire video of like the portion where I'm talking, but I felt like this was a good spot to explain it. I'm terribly sorry for the weird glare that is like on the video. So when it's running, it's fine, but the stance had actually rolled and knocked my phone over while it was on the tripod yesterday, and apparently it cracked my screen protector right next to the front facing camera, which is what I use to film like the talking portions. So that is why there's a weird glare. I am so sorry. As I'm recording this, I already got it fixed, so the next video will not look like that. So I hope it didn't bother you guys too much, and again, I'm terribly sorry.
Rearranging my life and I won't look back ever again. You can't stop what's moving. You can't stop what's moving. I'm changing my life and I won't look back ever again. No fear, see clear, you deserve to be great. I know it feels like things get in your way. Push through those walls and the others will fall. Sit up, stand tall, you can get through it all. I need some energy, anxiety's no friend to me. I have a short memory, I don't really remember things. That's how I move on, that's how I stay strong. A new day's on, I'll keep moving right along. And I feel like the pain in the past, it needs to stay in the past. You gotta take off the cast. I wanna feel like I'm a new person. I wanna have clear vision and purpose.
So now I want to share with you guys the sweetest gift I have ever received. I have talked about the 24 scale RC Garage so many times on this channel, but Bobby over at RC Garages decided that it was time for me to have my own 10th scale garage, and he completely customized it for me. Just wait till you guys see it. It's massive, and the customization that he did on it is just like the sweetest thing in the world. So like I said, he completely customized this one for me. If you see right here on the calendar, he has April 14th X'd out, and that is actually the day my husband and I got married. Like, how sweet is that? It's the little touches that really matter. He also threw a picture of my favorite rig on the calendar. As you can see, it also says RC Princess on the back wall. And oh yes, I am actually officially married now. I'll be posting a few pictures on my Instagram, RC Princess 24, when I get the pictures back and all that. But yes, this was like our wedding gift, I guess you can say. And it is the sweetest gift I've like ever received. It like doesn't even fit on my workbench. I don't think people realize how big the 10th scale garages are. But when I say that you need one, like you need one from Bobby at RC Garages, because he really cares about his customers and making them happy. He works with people every day to make their visions come to life, and he does a really, really good job at it. So I just wanted to share that with you guys, because when this came in the mail, it made me cry. Like, it was so sweet. I'm not usually much of a crier, but like I just like ugly cried, because that is the level of friendship that Bobby offers, and he's just a really good guy, and you guys need to go check him out and get your hands on either a 10th scale garage or a 24 scale garage, anything, because they really make your pictures pop. Just head over to his website, rcgarages.com, or message him on Instagram, rcgarages, and he will get right back to you. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stick around to see the big showdown between the Red Cat Ascent Fusion and the Vanquish VRD stance. That is coming soon. And go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. It helps me know what content you guys are liking and what to maybe stay away from for the future. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!
You can't stop what's moving. You can't stop what's moving.